What's up guys, welcome back to Boring Box Breaker. And today I'll be telling you guys how to restore your iPhone to an older version of iOS. So we all know that iOS 12 has a lot of bugs. Some of them impact your phone more than others. And most of them are very annoying. Well, if you had a problem with iOS 12, then you're at the right place. Without further ado, let's get started. So what you gotta do is to back up your device. Make sure it's backed up in your computer, not in iCloud, and make sure it's not encrypted so we can change the product version later on. But the problem is it won't back up any app downloaded stuff like your music and your YouTube videos that you downloaded if you have YouTube Premium. If you have no problem with that at all, then you can do the following steps that I'm about to show you. So that's it guys, now we just have to restore the backup we just did. And then we're probably good to go. If yours isn't compatible, then check the product version number.